My name is Kerry Ferguson and we run Gyda Web. I went to university in Aberystwyth.
Yep, my name's Emlyn Jones. I also run Gyda Web with Kerry, and I also went to Aberystwyth University. We started the business essentially because we loved creating and designing websites, and very quickly we realised that there was a gap in the market for someone creating bilingual websites and certainly Welsh and English websites.
The university have got a great entrepreneurs department. They do monthly marketing sessions, they offer loads of free advice. So I popped up and saw those, and they sort of they signpost you in the right directions for things like business finance, how to set up business properly. I went to them and spoke about the idea, how it could be formulated, and they sort of signposted us in the right direction then. So that was a really valuable resource for us to have.
Another thing I'd say that I gained from being in Aberystwyth University was a Go Wales scheme, a graduate opportunity scheme, which was a great scheme that took me out of studies and that university bubble and put me in a real small business. I was immediately applying skills I'd learned in university, but also being able to learn from the inside how a business works and understanding what it takes and the amount of effort and hard work it takes to run a business.
I think it would be great if universities and the Welsh Government as well could promote entrepreneurship as a career path a lot more. Certainly when I was 18 and I started university, I was very set that the degree I'm doing is going to be what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my life. When I got to 21, sort of realised that that's not what I want to do. So I think it's more about promotion, that these other avenues are available and that's what you can do, and then to signpost you to people like your entrepreneurs at Aberystwyth University or perhaps Business Wales, all these different people that are out there to help.
Well, we've grown the business a lot over the last, I would say, 3 years, and we're growing, say, different branches of the business. Certainly I'd like to see the digital marketing side growing. That's, I think, is a huge opportunity, certainly in Wales, where you have a lot of rural businesses and online is a very crucial part of their communication, and that's kind of where we've planted our flag at the moment. We're very proud to be able to provide a bilingual service from start to finish and create bilingual websites.